Every accent has a weird relationship to one letter, right? Like the Russians, the Russian accent, it's the letter Y. They take the letter Y and they put it between every other letter. Take any sentence like this traffic is unbelievable. They'd be like, this traffic is unbelievable. I cannot believe it. We've been sitting here for 15 minutes. Anyone speak Russian? It's like, are you talking backwards? Russian literally sounds like English played in reverse with someone pressing pause and unpause every second. It's like, Japanese is, it's a nice language. Is it? I don't know. Whenever I walk into a sushi restaurant, they just start yelling at me. That's not a nice language. That's the noise my blender makes when I put something in it I shouldn't have. Oh, I left my spoon in there. That's the problem. I knew there was something weird. French is a beautiful, romantic language. No, it isn't. Whenever I hear two French people talking, it sounds like they're just mocking each other. It's like, and that French accent, they always sound like they're annoyed and miserable, right? They're always like, ugh. This is not true. We are not miserable. Just look at the smile on my face. The opposite of that, people from New Zealand. People from New Zealand always sound happy. That's right, from New Zealand, what's the matter? Nothing.